Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Honor Magic V2, the latest foldable phone from Honor. This phone has a lot of amazing features, but is it worth buying? Let's find out. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone at discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The Honor Magic V2 is a foldable phone that can transform from 6.43-inch smartphone to a 7.92-inch tablet. The phone has a sleek and elegant design with a titanium frame and a glass back. The phone is very thin and light, weighing only 231 grams. The phone has two OLED displays, one on the outside and one on the inside. The outer display has a resolution of 1060 by 2376 pixel and it has a punch hole cut out for the 16 megapixel front camera. The inner display has a resolution of 2156 by 2344 pixels and it has an under display camera that is hidden when not in use. Both displays are bright, colorful and responsive. They support HDR10 Plus and 120Hz refresh rate. The phone runs on Magic OS 7.2 Android 13 version, which is customized version of Android that offers some unique features for the foldable phone. For example, you can use flex mode to split the screen into two halves when the phone is partially folded. You can also use the multi-window mode to run up 3 apps simultaneously on inner display. The phone also supports gesture navigation, face unlock and fingerprint scanner. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is one of the most powerful processors in the market. The phone also has 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The performance of the phone is smooth and fast and it can handle any task or game you throw at it. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC and USB Type-C. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back consisting of 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 20 megapixel telephoto camera. The main camera can record 8K video at 30 frames per second and it also has optical image stabilization and laser autofocus. The ultra-wide camera can capture stunning landscape and group shots with 120-degree field of view. The telephoto camera can provide up to 5x optical zoom and up to 50x digital zoom. The battery of 5000 mAh unit that support fast charging, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The battery life of the phone is decent and it can last for a day with moderate use. The fast charging can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. So these are the main features of Honor Magic V2. This is an amazing foldable phone that offers a lot of value for money. The phone has a beautiful design, a great display, a powerful performance, a versatile camera and a decent battery life. Only drawback is that the phone is quite expensive. If you are interested in buying this phone, you can check out the link in the description below for more details and offers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.